Hey guys, my name is Lena K and I am here to walk you through how to buy your package on the IBG app. This is your homepage, which shows an overview of your IBG tokens at the top and earnings near the bottom. To buy a new package, click on the Buy Package option. You will then be shown the list of packages available for purchase, which range from anywhere between $100 to $100,000. After selecting your package, a pop-up will appear asking for permission to spend your USDT. This is a one-time intermediary step to approve your account for IBG. There is no cost associated with this step except for the transaction fee. To view the status of your approval, navigate back to the home page and then click on the History tab and then the Portfolio tab. You will then see the approval purchase for 0 USDT. With your approval process, continue back to the Buy Package page and select the package you'd like to purchase. You can click into each package to see the total IBG you will receive so you can make the most informed decision. Once you have chosen which package you'd like, you can confirm that purchase and move on to the last step. For early backers, you will receive free IBG tokens by staking your tokens. For 30 days, you'll receive a 5% yield. For 60 days, you'll receive a 12% yield, and for 90 days, you'll return a 21% yield. This is an exclusive offer for the early backers to get their feet wet in the DeFi world. Once you have selected which period you'd like to stake for, agree to the terms and conditions and check out. Congratulations, you've bought your IBG package. You now just need to wait for your order to be confirmed, after which it will be viewable in the transaction history page. Additionally, you will see your new IBG balance reflected throughout the app, and the total staked tokens should increase by the amount that you have purchased. Whenever you purchase a new package, a transaction is executed on the Ethereum blockchain. By navigating to the History tab and clicking on one of the transactions, you can get detailed information including the price, network fees, and status. Etherscan sources all the technical information about the transaction recorded on the blockchain. At the top, you will see the general information like transaction hash, status, block number, and timestamp. As you scroll down, you'll see the address for the smart contract that was executed, as well as the addresses and transferred tokens. Finally, the transaction also shows the value in Ether of the transaction fee, and the gas price. IBG handles interacting with the smart contract and moving funds around for you so that you don't have to. But the technical information is available for those who are interested. Additionally, you can view the same information by clicking on the approval transaction. There are no funds transferred during this transaction, but you will still be able to see this on the Ethereum blockchain. To see the breakdown of assets in your wallet, choose the Wallet tab and select the History tab if you'd like to see the dates and information of any of the packages that you've bought. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and to get more updates, don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels. That's all for today's video, guys, and thank you so much for watching. To get more updates, please don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels. Links will be listed in the description box below.